Hello friends, welcome to DUDIR Academy. Indira Gandhi Institute of Medical Science Patna has invited the application for various posts like nursing officer, junior medical laboratory technologist, pharmacist grade 2, perfusionist, librarian grade 3, central workshop superintendent, radiology technician grade 2, medical record technician, junior occupational therapist, driver, data entry operator grade A and radiology technician grade 2. These are all based on regular appointment, and there are different posts for the deputation or contract basis like financial advisor, chief administrative officer, civil executive engineer, store officer, accounts officer on deputation basis, and assistant accounts officer on contract only. So this application form can be submitted through online mode through website of the institute www.igims.org, and the details are given, and the opening date for online registration, that is for filling up of the online application on IGIMS website, is 10/10/2020, that is October 10th 2020 from 10 a.m. and the closing date for the online registration and submission of online application is 31st October 2020. And the application fee is ₹1,000 for unreserved and OBC and ₹250 for SC, ST and EBC. The applicants are required to follow the instructions mentioned at the online application that is available at the website of IGIMS, and also they should keep the certificate and photo ready for upload. Applicants are also required to regularly visit the website for the updates, and the candidates who are employed in government or semi-government department or any other employer, they should submit their application along with the no objection certificate issued by the employer at the time of interview. SC/ST candidates must attach their caste certificate issued by the circle officer of the respective district or circle of Bihar along with the application form. And also the EBC and BC candidates must attach their caste certificate along with the certificate of exemption from creamy layer duly issued by the circle officer of respective district or circle of Bihar along with the application form if claimed for reservation. And regarding the vacancies, the number of vacancies may increase or decrease, and so in addition to pay, other allowances are also admissible based on rules. And no TA or DA is admissible for attending the interview and the written test. So in case of this direct recruitment, the reservation and relaxation in upper age limit will be as per the rule of Government of Bihar, and benefit reservation will be given to Bihar state domicile only, and the applicant outside of the state of Bihar will not be entitled for the benefit of reservation, and the handicapped person or candidates will be given the benefit of reservation as per the rule of Government of Bihar. And also for the persons working in government institutions shall be given relaxation as per the rule. These are applicable for the direct recruitment or regular appointment. And I am mentioning about the essential qualification and experience for the post of nursing officer. The essential qualification is BSc Nursing from an Indian Nursing Council or State Nursing Council recognized institute or university, or post basic BSc Nursing from a recognized institute or university, and also registered as nurse and midwife with state or Indian Nursing Council, or the person should be of diploma in general nursing and midwifery from Indian Nursing Council or State Nursing Council recognized institute or board or council, and should also have registered as nurse and midwife in state or Indian Nursing Council, and should have 2 years experience in a minimum 50-bedded hospital after acquiring the educational qualification mentioned. That is, this 2-year experience is essential criterion, and it should be obtained after the completion of the essential qualification. That means after completing the residency period of the course, and also the declaration of result, and after registration with state or Indian Nursing Council. And regarding the age limit, upper age limit is between 18 to 30 years as on 31/10/2020. So age relaxation is as per the government of Bihar rule, that is 5 years for SC/ST, 3 years for EBC or BC, and 3 years for all categories of female candidates. And also for the government servants, the relaxation is given as per the government rule, and the pay scale is basic rupees 35,400 plus all usual allowances, and the total number of posts is 27. So thank you for watching the video.